Lesson 1.8, Everyday Math, talks about a procedure known as unsquaring numbers. This is a little different. Everyday Math likes to make up its own vocabulary every once in a while, and you will probably not see the term unsquaring on a test. I will explain what that is in a moment, but I just want to kind of clear it up with what Everyday Math thinks unsquaring means. The last section we looked at in 1.7 was square numbers. Today we're looking at the opposite of that lesson, and what we're going to do is we're going to work backwards. What I mean by that is, a lot of you already know what this is. Addition, 2 plus 2 equals 4, and subtraction, 4 minus 2 equals 2, are opposites. Multiplication, 3 times 5 equals 15, and division, 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Those are opposites. So addition and subtraction are opposites. Multiplication and division are opposites. What we're going to look at today is squaring and unsquaring as being opposites as well. Now, the opposite of squaring a number is not really called unsquaring. It's called the square root, and that's what you're going to try to figure out today. On a calculator, if you've ever seen this button, it looks like a check mark with the division combined together on a button like that. That would be your calculator button for square root. So, how do you do it? Well, you need to understand your math facts, once again, saying that, and you have to work backwards. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 is a square number. And we did this exponential notation as well. 3 to the second power equals 9. Now, in order to figure out the square root, or what Everyday Math calls unsquaring of 9, you need to think what number times itself equals 9. And so, in other words, you have to work backwards here. You've got to remember your multiplication facts and how this works. The square root of 9, if you break it down, you know it's 3 times 3. Therefore, the square root of 9 is 3. 3 times itself would get you 9. Therefore, by definition, the square root of 9 will give you 3. This works for all our square numbers. It's got to be a square number, at least for 5th grade it does. 5 times 5 equals 25, and so the opposite of that, working backwards, you have to think what number times itself gets me 25. The square root of 25 is 5, because we know 5 times 5 equals 25. So you've got a bunch of numbers here. You have to think what number times itself equals 16. That will get you the square root of 16. If you know your math facts, you know 4 times 4 is 16. Square root of 100, 10 times 10 equals 100, therefore it's 10. Some tricky ones. Square root of 0. Well, what number times itself equals 0? 0. And the square root of 1. 1 times 1 equals 1. So this is really about thinking it through, knowing your multiplication facts, being able to figure out some number, call it b, times itself equals that square number. And therefore the square root would be whatever letter or number you put in there.